Today we're installing the RX7 RoadGlo kit. For tools, you'll want non-abrasive scrapers, rubbing alcohol and a rag, a heat gun, a 3mm hex tool, and a pair of cutters. So let's start with removing the battery. Secure the deck lid with a bungee cord or a similar method. Take your 3mm hex tool, remove the 2 screws on the wire cover door. Set them aside and keep organized. Remove the 3 screws on the side deck light. Repeat this process with each light on every corner. Next, remove the 2 screws behind the front wheel. And then continue on by removing the front wire loom starting from the deck and working your way to the bottom of the stem. By removing the wire loom up to the stem, you can access the power for the RoadGlo. If you're upgrading your lighting to the RoadGlo, you'll need to remove your old power inverter. Start from removing the main power supply cable, then remove all connections for each light. Now, your power inverter can be removed. On the front of the deck, remove the 3 power connections for the swing arm and stem. Once the front power cables for the swing arm and stem are free from the deck, pull the cables through the rest of the frame. For the rear swing arms, pull the cables through each side of the deck. With all the power cables now free, start with removing the old luminescent lighting. With your non-abrasive scraper and a heat gun, start removing the old lighting. Before applying new vinyls, clean the entire surface with rubbing alcohol to ensure the new vinyls will stick properly. For best results, move slowly. Once the RoadGlo has all been applied, reinstall the wiring. Install your power connections. With your release clip facing upwards, install the positive cable to the left and the negative cable to the right. Repeat this for all the connections. If upgrading your lighting kit, replace with a new power inverter now. Then reconnect all the power connections. Finally, reinstall your cable cover. Finally, the RoadGlo application is now complete. And now you're ready to enjoy your RoadGlo.